Welcome, in front of me I have WAHOO Elemnt Rival, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting up. And now we need to download and install the WAHOO Elemnt application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in WAHOO Elemnt Companion. And once you type it in, this application should be on the list. You can tap on the get button to download and install it. Give me a second, I need to confirm the account. Okay, I logged into an account. I'm gonna tap on download now and the app should start downloading. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open. And after the application turns on, you should see this page. You can tap on start. If you see this pop up, allow the required permission. And then you can allow or deny the permission for the camera. I believe it's required, so tap on allow. And now what we need to do is to basically enter the pairing mode on our watch. So press and hold the lower button. Open the menu, scroll through it by using the up and down buttons right here, and look for the option pair phone. Select it and press middle button. You will see the QR code on the screen, and what you need to do is to put your phone's camera or point your phone's camera on the QR code to scan it. If you see this pop up, tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And as you can see, we need to log in into an account. So I'm gonna tap on log in, because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up to make a new one. Okay, and here we can enter the email address and password. And then tap on login, of course. After you log in, you can connect different applications to this app. For some reason, we can even connect Dropbox, which is weird, but okay. I'm just gonna tap on next. Here you can set up your profile, tap next, and here you can enable the live tracking if you like to by tapping on the switch and then tap on next. Select the preferred wrist. Go through the tutorial if you like to. I'm just gonna tap on skip, next, and allow or deny the permission for the location. And then if you go, you should see your watch right here on the workout page already, but if you go to settings, you should also see it right here, and you have some settings for your watch right here. That means that the devices are connected, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.